Hello, I'm Craig from Ignition Autos Limited in Middlewich. I'm here today to demonstrate our latest piece of equipment, the engine carbon cleaning machine. The reason why you have your engine carbon cleaned is over time, deposits build up within normal combustion of the engine. These deposits can then clog up cylinders, pistons, turbos, injectors and other engine components. Most importantly, these deposits can clog up DPF filters and EGR valves. And some of these are the most common things to go wrong, but also the most expensive to replace. When clogged, these parts prevent the engine from operating normally. If the soot isn't removed regularly, breakdown can occur and the cost can quickly add up. By injecting hydrogen into the air intake of your engine, carbon deposits are cleaned away. The benefits from clearing these carbon deposits, also known as soot, are: engine performance is restored, fuel consumption is reduced by up to 15%, eliminates black smoke from the exhaust, cleans expensive engine parts, helps secure passing the MOT test, and finally increases the car's lifespan. After a hydrogen clean, our customers always report back saying they notice a difference in the feel and the drive of their vehicle immediately. One of the perks of hydrogen cleaning is the engine continues to clean itself for up to 300 miles afterwards. This is due to the hydrogen atoms sticking to the remaining deposits until they are removed. There is different levels of cleaning. A regular clean annually is recommended up to 1 hour. But there are options for up to 2-hour cleans when problems with your vehicle are present, such as issues with your DPF filter and EGR valve being blocked, or even if it's failed emissions for your MOT test. To find out more about our hydrogen cleaning, give us a ring on 01606 277 032, or alternatively follow the link below to book online.